Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you subscribe with my channel, like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe with my channel, subscribe right now. Let's get started. Basic English grammar, géant idiomas. You can visit my website www.jeanfidiomas.com.br. Let's get started. Question with B using where. Where is the glass? Where is the glass? Where means onde. Okay, or aonde. Where? Repeat after me. Where is the glass? Okay, where is the glass? Glass, a corpo. Okay, corpo. Onde está o corpo? Where is the glass? Okay, questions. Question with B using where. Question B plus subject. Okay, is the glass on table? Question, is the glass on table? O copo está em cima da mesa. Repeat. Is the glass on table? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Is the glass on table? Yes, it is. Short answer. Is the glass on table? Yes, it is. Repeat after me. Is the glass on table? Is the glass on table? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Is the glass on table? Yes, it is. The glass is on the table. Okay, a long answer. Okay, it's a long answer. The glass is on the table. Okay, is the glass on the table? Yes, it is. It's a short answer. Short answer means risposta curta. Long answer means long. Risposta longa. Repeat after me. Is the glass on the table? Yes, it is. It's a short answer. Is the glass okay on the table? The glass is on the table. Is a long answer. When you speak English, okay, you have to use short answer. Okay, the glass is on the table is a long answer. Let's go. Question B plus subject. Prove, are the glasses on the table? Or are the glasses on the table? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Okay, are the glasses on the table? Yes, they are. Or the glasses are on the table. Long answer. Are the glasses on the table? Yes, they are is a short answer. The glasses are on the table is a long answer. A long answer. Risposta curta. Yes, they are. Are the glasses on the table? Yes, they are. The glasses are on the table is a long answer. Okay. Question, short answer or long answer when you answer. Okay. Where plus B plus subject. Where is the glass? Where plus B. Where is the glass? Where is the glass? Onde está o copo? Okay, where is the glass? The glass is on the table. Where is the glass? On the table. Where is the glass? On the table. The glass is on the table. Long answer. Where is the glass? On the table. Short answer. Risposta curta. Onde está o copo? Em cima da mesa. On the table. Long answer. The glass is on the table. Where plus B plus subject. Where are the glasses? Where are the glasses? Onde estão os copos? Where are the glasses? On the table. Short answer. On the table. Where are the glasses? On the table. Long answer. The glasses are on the table. Where? The glasses are on the table is a long answer. The glasses are on the table. Long answer is risposta longa. where plus be. Okay, where plus be. Let's practice. Is Tokyo and Japan? Short answer is Tokyo and Japan. Is Tokyo in Japan? Or yes it is, or no it isn't. Yes it is. Is Tokyo in Japan? Yes it is. Short answer. Long answer, Tokyo is in Japan. Is Tokyo in Japan? Is São Paulo in Brazil? Okay, yes it is. São Paulo is in Brazil. Okay, is Tokyo in Japan? Yes it is. Long answer, Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo está no Japão. Is Tokyo in Japan? Tokyo está no Japão. Sim. Tokyo está no Japão. Tokyo está no Japão. Ok? Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo está no Japão. Tokyo is in Japan. Repeat after me. Is Tokyo in Japan? Yes, it is. Short answer. Risposta curta. Long answer. Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo is in Japan. Tokyo está no Japão. Let's practice. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Onde está o menino? Short answer. In the pool. The boy is in the pool, na piscina. Where is the boy? Short answer. In the pool. Long answer. The boy is in the pool. Long answer. The boy is in the pool. Where is the boy? Onde está o menino? Na piscina. Short answer. Where is the boy? If you liked my video, click on I like to support my channel. See you soon for a next video.